Jai Hind everyone, I am Under Officer Kiam Ujma Khatun, Regiment number RG18 SW630034 from Tooraj Engineering Company NCC Ajmer from Rajasthan Directories. Today I am presenting my topic Cultural Heritage of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is one of the prettiest and colorful states of India. It is famous for its beauty and rich culture. Rajasthan is known for its historical hill forts and palaces. It is claimed as the best place for tourism related to places. The state covers area of 342,239 square kilometer. It is largest Indian state by area and 7th by its population. When it comes Indian state with the highest number of forts, Rajasthan stands second number. The state has more than 45 forts. Rajasthan proudly houses the largest desert of India, which is the third desert known as the Great Indian Desert. Now we can easily see Rajasthan in our Indian map. This is the cities of Rajasthan. Now we will see the history of Rajasthan. The state of Rajasthan in India has a history dating thousands of years. It was the site of the Indus Valley civilization. The early medieval period saw the rise many Rajput kingdoms like Chauhans of Ajmer, Goilot and Sisotias of Mewar, Rathods of Marwar. Later, the region came under suzerainty of the Mughal Empire. The Mughals granted high positions to Rajput rulers who aligned within them. However, some Rajput kingdoms did not accept Mughal suzerainty and were constantly at war with them. The Mughal rule effectively ended the 18th century in Rajasthan and Maratha influence grew in the region. The British made several treaties with rulers of Rajasthan who were allowed to rule their princely estates. This period was marked by famines and economic exploitation. However, the British period also saw the growth of railways, telegraph and modern industry in the region. After Indian independence in 1947, the various princely estates of Rajasthan were integrated into India map. Now we will see historical icon which are our legends in the history are Prithviraj Chauhan, Maharana Kumbha, Maharana Sanga, Maharana Pratap, Mirabai and Rani Padmini. This is the images of Prithviraj Chauhan and Rani Padmini, Mirabai and Maharana Pratap. Now, we will see the culture of Rajasthan. The rich cultural heritage of the state is reflected in its impressive folk music and dances, different languages and dialects, the majestic forts, palaces, mansions and divinely holy places of religious worship, its multi-hued fairs and festivals, its tempting cuisines and above all its inviting the cheerful people. Now we will see the attire of Rajasthan people and females dress in the customary dresses fully influenced by climate, economy, status and the profession. The traditional dresses being dhoti kurta, angraka, safa, ghagra choli, kanchukli kurti, amongst Hindus and tilak, burqa ajkan amongst Muslims which are fast changing now and bushards, salwar and skirts, saris and pants accordingly. Here is the tradition dress of Rajasthan and this is called the Rajputi dress. Now we will see the dance of Rajasthan. The third desert of Rajasthan comes alive when its dances take the center stage. Rajasthan has great variety of dances which are simple expressions of celebration and festivity. Ghumar and Jhumar are the main dances of Rajasthan. From Ghumar and Jhumar, the Kuchi Godi, Tirahati Ki Abelyam, Gair Bhavani drum dance, the fire dance are also important dances of Rajasthan. This dance is called Kalbeli and the second one is called Ghumar. Now we will see dramas. Rajasthan's spectacular visual folk arts include Ras, Jhumar, Gauri, Bhavai, Swang, Khayal and Katputli. The most famous of all these are Gauri and Swang. Gauri is a folk idea which signifies a drama where mythology, entertainment and the cult worship of trans collude. Swang incorporates suitable theatres and mimicry accompanied by song and dialogue. It is dialogue oriented rather than movement oriented. This is called Bhavai and Swang. This is the most famous drama in Rajasthan which is called puppet or Katputli drama. Now we will see the language in Rajasthan. There are various languages in Rajasthan which are Marwari, Dundari, Mewati and Hadauti. Other major dialects spoken are here Shekhawati, Bagri, Ahiravati and Wagri. Hindi is also widely spoken here. Now we will see the different types of cuisines in Rajasthan. Rajasthani cooking was influenced by both the warlike lifestyle of its inhabitants and the availability of ingredients. In this arid region, famous dishes include bajre ki roti and lasan ki chutney, mama kachori from Jodhpur, alwar ka malpuas from Pushkar and rosgullas from Bikaner. Bikaneri bhujia, mirchi vada and pyaz ki kachori are the famous snacks. Here we can see a big thal which is called the Sahi Thal, Chappan Bhog, and this is called the Dal Bati. See the myths of Rajasthan. A myth is a story that usually explains something about the world and involves God and supernatural things. Rajasthan has preserved many such myths in its boom. The famous among them myth behind Bhangar Fort, Sambar Lake. This is the Bhangar Fort. It is the Asia's most haunted place. And this is the Sambar Lake. It is India's largest saline lake, which is the salt producer. Art and craft in Rajasthan. Rajasthan is famous for textiles, semi-precious stones and handicrafts, and for its traditional and colorful art. Rajasthani furniture has intricate carnivores and bright colors. Block prints, tie and dye prints, Bokaro prints, Sanganer prints and Jari embroidery are major export products from Rajasthan. The blue pottery of Jaipur is particularly noted. We can see here the carpet and handicraft. This is also types of handicraft which contains umbrella and turbans. This is very famous in Rajasthan, which are wall crafting and puppet making. Now we will see the different type of music and music instrument in Rajasthan. Rajasthani music is very famous not only in India but also in the world. Music and dance are deeply ingrained in Rajasthani culture. Folk tunes of Rajasthan are very popular. Man, Des, Pipli, Nihalde are typically sung and accompanied by Ravan Hata. An inseparable part of folk music, folk instrument add the ever so important rhymes, the melody to the folk dances and the vocal performance. String instruments like sarangi, ravanhata, kamaicha and bapang add hunting melody to the music. The music instrument. Now we will talk about Rajasthan tourism, a state that invites visitors with melodic tune of Padharo Mare Desh, came to my land. Rajasthan is one of the most popular tourist destinations in India for both domestic and international tourists. Rajasthan attracts tourists for its historical forts, palaces, art and culture with its slogan Padharo Mare Desh. Every third foreign tourist visiting India travels to Rajasthan as it is part of the Golden Triangle for tourists visiting India. Now we will see the different destinations in Rajasthan like Pushkar Lake Pushkar, Hawa Mahal Pink City Jaipur, Ajmer Dargah Sharif, Mount Abu, Pushkar Fair. Every year so many foreigners came here in Pushkar Mela, Udaipur. Now we will see wildlife tourism in Rajasthan. Rajasthan is home to several well-known large mammals. Its climate and geographic diversity makes it the home of over 250 mammals and 150 different species of birds, many which are unique. Ranthambore is one of the largest national park in Rajasthan, which have so many tigers. Now we will talk about tourist train. This vacation explores the royal land while experiencing the journey in the lifeline of the nation. Rajasthan rail tour packages are tailor-made to provide you to completely different experience in one single trip. The royal land and the mostly used rail service make the journey memorable. This contains all facilities like bedroom, sitting area, restaurants. Now we will talk about the economy of Rajasthan. The biggest wool producing state in India, pulse sugarcane, oilseeds, cotton and tobacco are cash crops of Rajasthan. Wheat, barley and bajra are cultivated in large areas, largest producer of edible oils and second largest producer of oilseeds. This is the edible oil. Thank you very much for listening me.